Yo, got another unboxing video. Today is some Gundam kits from Gundam Mad. So opens it. I'm not used to holding a camera, a phone in my hand while cutting stuff. I'm an expert in cutting stuff, so it's not while holding something. Okay. So this is the most stuff I've ordered from them. Usually just order the one thing or two things, but oh, I have to do this. I followed that up. Okay. So I haven't been able to get myself a model kit for ages. I've had problems with my last job, so starting off here with the Palace hybrid. When did this come out? 2006. That looks pretty good. Ooh. I love this. I love that. Okay, there's that way first. The silver bullet. Mm-hmm. 2014. Ooh. Okay. So that's right here. We got this multi-builder case. Oh, that looks nice. Good way to keep my tools organised. Alright, now we get into the meaty stuff. The real grade Xeon. Not my first choice for real grade. I wanted to get the Full Armor Unicorn or the Force Impulse, but none of them were in stock on Gundam Mad. So I got with this one. 2021. This is big. Should be great nonetheless. Then next up, Master Greedo. Like I said, this also wasn't my first choice. I wanted to get the Thunderbolt, which was in stock since November, and it went out of stock before I ordered this stuff. Still happy with it. This one I should be building that on Sunday. First fair cut as well. I was looking to get Mark Saturn softer, but it's all out of stock. Everywhere. This one looks great. So, I just do this real quick. So I only have 4 kits here. So I've got a Gunpla here. So these are all the kits I'll be building this year pretty much. Starting with this one. Just building this one Sunday. Then I'm going to build a Gunpla in May. And then build that one in July. Build that one in September. Build that one in November. So I'll build a kit every 2 months. And these are great kits. Looks like they all look nice. This one getting boss finished. I can't wait to build it. Anyway, yep. That's this bulk order. Thanks for watching this Rookie unboxing, and I will probably make more unboxing videos. Anyway, bye bye.